Listen up. The room is hot. Spread out and search for intruders. No prisoners. Move!
I don't like this. You think it's Batman?
I hope not. We've got special orders for him. With any luck, it's just some Arkham scum trying to get rich. We can have a little fun with them. No sign of target. Watch your line of sight.
Stay on target. Don't lose focus.
Check your numbers.
Move it! Casualty, my location!
Check your numbers.
Move it! Casualty, my location!
This is Tiger 5-4. We have confirmation that target is in the steel mill. I repeat, Batman is in the steel mill.
Good. Make it our first target. Protocol 10 will wipe both the Batman and the Joker from this Earth.
Target is set.
Looks like this kitten's got the cream.
Understood. Commencing in 3, 2,
It appears we have caught our intruder. Teach her a lesson. Oh, tonight just keeps getting better. Batman was simply dead, and now I have you too, Miss Kyle.
All units, we have visual confirmation. The steel mill is hit. Batman is down. I repeat, Batman.
Try and tie me up in your plants? Like hell.
Protocol 10 has completed. Let's send out a squad.
How does that feel, Ivy?
Body.
Understood, sir.
You can do it. Just walk right out of here and leave him. It's easy. You'll never forgive yourself, Selina. Save Batman, then get out of here. It's not like he'll die. It's Batman, right? Since when did you grow a conscience? Is a girl's work never done? Hold on, handsome. I'm coming to save you. Great. See what I give up for you, Batman. You better not be dead already. Well, what do we have here? Figured you could use my help.
You're right. I think I chipped a nail back there.
You stick with the brooding, I'll handle the wisecracks. I guess we both know what Protocol 10 is now, right? If you're planning on stopping it, you need to hurry.
Oracle. Strange is launching missiles.
You can't. Hundreds will be killed.
He'll kill Talia.
You need to think this through. Batman can't let all these people die.
My tracker's not activating. Reroute all Wayne Tech satellites to boost the signal.
I can't do that. I realize it is difficult, Sam. But you need to decide if one life is worth sacrificing to save 1,000.
Don't do this, Alfred.
Batman must save Gotham. I'm sorry, but deep down, you know I'm right.
Oracle. Do not lose Talia's signal. Okay.
Hit successful. Multiple inmate casualties. All targets are lit. I repeat, we have multiple successful strikes, all on target. We've lost contact with Batman. He's gone. Targets are all hit. Sector 4 is lit up like a Christmas tree. Hit successful. Inmate targets neutralized. Thermal scans of the area are showing 17 casualties. Targets are all hit. Casualties in Sector 1 are topping 100. I'm showing multiple hits in Sector 2. Boom. Scratch 20 more inmates. Multiple targets acquired and neutralized. Target is hit. Casualties in Sector 3 are high, returning to base. Batman in sight. Zero visual on target. I repeat, we have lost sight of Batman.
I've got the code. I'm heading to Wonder Tower.
Good. You're doing the right thing. The code should let you enter via the guard room near the main gate.
Don't lose Talia's signal. When I'm finished in the tower, I'm going after her. She doesn't know Joker. She's out of her depth. I need to save her.
Missile lot. Structure is hit. Multiple targets down. Body count is high. We have multiple casualties. Multiple targets acquired and neutralized. Successful. Multiple inmate casualties. Target is hit. Hit successful. Inmate targets neutralized. Sector 3 are high, returning to base. I'm showing multiple hits in Sector 2. All targets are lit. I repeat, we have multiple successful strikes, all on target. Multiple targets down. Body count is high.